Hello folks, and today I would like to discuss this fan. It was a $5 purchase at a garage sale. I promptly brought it home and it fell over and cracked the entire plastic part of the back, exposing all the wires and stuff, and I was kind of mad. And all the little pieces, parts of it that I picked up, they're not going to go back together. Still got the remote for it though, so I guess that's a plus. Anyway, I was mad and I was thinking, what the hell am I going to do now? It blew such good air. I was happy with it. Well, my creative brain kicked in a little bit and I said, well shit, I was planning on putting some kind of fan up in that top corner over there to blow air out, and it just happens to be a nicely made, pre-made, I don't know if you can tell from the lighting here, I'm trying to fall over, but we're looking at the underside of the wooden part of the roof, and a piece of wood there and a piece of wood there. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to go straight through there, or if I might just need to come down a little bit right underneath it. And the second layer of wood there is the outside, so I just need to cut a slot. Anyway, what I'm thinking of doing is taking the plastic and taking it all off of this thing, and then I'll have a little computer board that's going to need mounted somewhere, and another little control thing. I should be able to like slice that off the top so I can keep the buttons. The swivel function won't work in what I'm thinking, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a box, thin, long box that will house that fan contraption, which is in there, and you can see the top of it, and it's mounted on an aluminum thing and blows air straight through, and it's long, and it will fit right over there where I want it. So my $5 mistake now becomes a good fix for what I want, and even has a remote. Anyway, that is the idea. The execution you'll have to see in the next video. So yeah, tell all your friends, subscribe,